my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing some of my shoes, getting rid of some old boxes. They're taking up space. I don't feel like I need those anymore. I have some nice stackable clear shoe boxes, and I'll be linking that product here for my Amazon storefront. Thank you in advance for liking the channel, for subscribing. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, don't judge me. This is a complete mess. However, I randomly got the idea to get rid of all of these boxes right here. And I wanted to order some more of those shoe boxes over there, the clear ones. So I could make this a little bit just get rid of these boxes. I hate them. They're dusty and I'm tired of looking at them. They're taking up too much space. Now, these I have purchased probably a year or so ago. I had already gotten rid of some boxes and I needed somewhere to put my shoes. So I bought these. Now I went ahead and tore my room up before I had even ordered any more. I ordered them yesterday. They came this morning, like super early. So thank goodness for that. My room looks like a complete mess. So I'm going to show you all what these look like straight out of the box. I'm going to show you how to assemble them. It's super easy. They are stackable. They come in a variety of sizes. If you need like big sneakers, big boat shoes that you need to put in here, men's shoes, women's shoes, whatever, then they come in larger sizes as well. I know a lot of sneakerheads use these too. I've seen them. That's kind of where I saw, I think that's where I saw them and decided that I needed to have them. But anyway, they can be stacked and secured with these little tabs. Like, it's super simple. And you fit that in there and close it back. I'm gonna have to take these down because I got to figure out, oh, maybe not. I don't know how I'm going to organize them, but I'll be right back showing you all how they look straight out of the box. Okay, this is what they look like straight out of the box. There is assembly required. They give you instructions on how to do it. Again, it is pretty simple. Now you're going to want to take one of these. This is the actual, well, don't do that. You want to take one of these. This is the actual box. It's been flattened, so you're going to have to kind of give it its shape, put it back in shape. There is a certain direction that these have to go depending on how you plan to stack them up. We'll get into that later because I'm still not sure exactly how I'm going to do that. But that part is important. Direction when it comes to these tabs is important. Now, this, of course, is the front side. I have all of mine opening. It's kind of hard to say. I'm not even going to say because I know it flips around when you all look at it. But I want all mine to open the same direction. That just makes sense to me. Also, hold on a second. This is the back side. Do I know what side is what? Not really. Am I looking at the instructions? Not really. Because I did it before. Because I did it before, and I mean, who needs instructions? I mean, you probably need instructions if you haven't done this before, but you just got to make sure this back piece fits on. It takes a little work to do that. This is the box. These are some little tabs here. You want to bend those in, right? See that? Well, maybe that's a little tight. Bend that inward. And then that's how you get it to snap. You heard that little snapping noise? That's how you know you did it. All these on? Okay, that's on. Now, same goes for the front, which would be this right here. Bend these little tabs in. I hope y'all can see that. Bend your tabs inward. And then put this on. You heard the snap? Perfect. Right? Yeah, it's on. Real nice, real cute, real secure for your shoes. Now, this, since there's nothing there, can be like on the bottom. I'm going to show you how you fit another box on top of here with these tabs, okay, to kind of interlock it. This will be the bottom. I haven't completed the box, but here are the little tabs here on the side, the little slits on the side rather. I don't know if you can see those. And they have to be interlocked with these little tabs here. So once you have your box assembled, this is much easier, but I want to show y'all because I'm not going to do all of that assembly on camera. Stick it in there. Stick that one in there. And that's really it. That secures your box. You're going to do that on both sides. You got 2 sets of tabs and slits. That's how you stack the boxes. You can stack them however you like to stack them. And that's it. Super easy to assemble and disassemble. They save a lot of space. Okay, so I'm not going to do all the unboxing and organizing on camera because that's going to be a lot. And I will also be cleaning my room in the process. So when I get done and I have the boxes organized how I want them, I'll come back and show you. One moment. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. That third one there on the end is the one that I just did. These are 12 boxes stacked up. I like mine more vertical, so that's why I have them that way. They pretty much took care of what I needed. Those are mostly boots and shoes that did not literally fit inside the space. As far as this way you can stack them, again, I like them more vertical. You can stack them more horizontally if you like. However you want to do it, you can. SeeSpring is the brand that I chose. Again, I got this from Amazon. I will be putting the link in the description so you can go on and purchase. I believe I paid $30 for 12 of these boxes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Oh, and I got one question for you. Did you read your Bible today?